What's going on, BSG? So today we are going to, it's going to be a two-part video probably. We're going to try to install, no, we're not going to try, we're going to install a mini splitter. And as you can see, it's going right here. I moved my TV already. I'll put my TV over there, which I can better see everything anyway. I can be anywhere in the garage and see the TV from over there, which is good. All right, so since we are going to do this, our mini splitter is a 12,000 BTU. So, and it's a AC and heat. So that should take care of this whole garage. So in the summer, it's going to be cool in here. In the winter, it's going to be warm. So let's bust this thing open and see what we get for directions. Seeing how it's late, it's like 8:30 at night. I'm probably just gonna bust this open and look at the directions, and then I will come back tomorrow. Here we go with the instructions. Now, so I made splitter comes with a remote. Put you right there. A couple of batteries. User's manual and user manual. I don't need that one. Alrighty. All right. All right, so what I see is we don't have no screws to this thing. Look like just cool. I can get my own screws. All right, so I'm gonna tell you guys what's so outstanding about this system here. This mini splitter. This mini splitter, I don't need no electrician or anything. It plugs right into the wall. Yes. Now, I'm gonna have to hook it up, do the connection just like any other mini splitter. Only thing, I don't need an electrician. I can just plug this right into the wall, and it's going right up there. So, got our user manual. I need to see the instructions. There must be screws in the other box. Yeah, this is not even instructions. Oh, here we go. Oh, do we? Yeah. These are the way to connect it. At least 15 centimeters left to right. Okay. So there's one set, one air unit, one remote, one set, and a warranty card. This here is my warranty card. I got a warranty for a year. But yeah, this is kind of stupid. This mug is in Spanish. So I'm going to get my wife to read this one. Put that there. Let's bust this here open. Get it out. Finish unpacking it. screws in that box. I done a little research on this thing. It's not a hard system to do, to install. Only thing I might have to buy me a tool, because I'm going to drill through this wall about a 2.5 inch hole, so I can push these not this, but some other stuff through the wall, which I'll show you guys here in a little while. Don't know what that's for, but we'll find out. Okay, so this is our system. Well, part of it anyway. And it goes up on the wall like this here, I think, if I'm mistaken. Yep. Goes just like that. So we'll get it. Let me see here, what is this? Some more shit. Put you right there. So this is far I'm gonna go with this here. Let me alright. Let me open up the box and I'm gonna get back to y'all so we can see if I got some instructions over there. Alright, so we're gonna install these last 3 screws. Alright, so we got this thing up here. Now our next thing to do is drill us a 2.25 inch hole right here. But I still got to buy the tool to be able to push through here and to push through the brick wall. It's on the back side of my garage. So I got to get that tool. So, and I can't hang it because I need to, those hoses need to be going straight through that hole in the wall. So, but I mean, while we wait for the tool, we can set up the outside, the outside unit on whatever I'm gonna set it up with. Either it's gonna be blocks I'm gonna sit it on, or it's gonna be like a cement pad I'm gonna sit it on. And then we'll wait for the tool to come, and we gotta order that. So with that being said, we're gonna catch y'all in a few minutes. It's gonna be a couple of seconds for y'all, but it's gonna be days for me. What's going on, BSG? So today we are going to get back on this mini split, get this thing done. It's been about a week. I've got my tool, which you've probably seen in my other video, but I just got this piece right here for this piece here to fit. So we're gonna use this here to drill through the cement. But we're gonna use this first to go through this wall. And I got this template right here for this mini split that I'm gonna put up there on the wall. And we're gonna try to get down to business. All right, so let me set you guys right here and put you up there like that. Let's see what we can get done here, man, because yeah, we gotta figure this here shit out a little bit. So right here, these lines represent where this thing here clicks in at. And this here is the hole that I need to drill right there. But I think what I'm gonna do is, no, maybe I can just drill right there and drill down at an angle. Yeah, drill it down at an angle. Reason why I'm drilling it down at an angle, so when the water releases out of this mini split, it'll flow down, so we don't have no backup in water. Now, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm scared to drill this hole. I'm just gonna roll with it. If my power go out, y'all know why. Let's see what that is. Doggone mosquito. Okay, so our 2x4 is right here. Another 2x4 is about right there. And we done got through this hole. Oh! I lost my drill bit. It came off. Oh, man. I ain't never getting that one back. But they done forced me to get the big boy now. So, and I call myself, damn, trying to make it through to the cement. But, since they want the big guns, let's give them the big guns. Put you right there. Move you over here. Oh boy. You guys ready? We have a hole. That is a piece of insulation that's right there. I can't seem to get out. Let me see if I can push it towards from the other side. But let's walk outside and see if we can see how we looking on the outside. There go my hole. So it's good for the outside too. So with that, we're gonna make this thing work. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Stick around and you can get
All right, guys. So we done got the hard part done, which is that hole up there. And our next thing we need to do, these wires need to be connected here.
Okay.
And then then we'll connect it to the outside. Okay? So, but it don't matter how we connect it in here, as long as we connect it the same way outside, we're good. All right, guys, so let me start off by saying I am not certified, so anybody can do this. I'm just doing it a little bit different. I'm doing it the best way I can, and I'm by myself. So let me show you what I'm doing. So here's the other hose one of the hoses that I had to straighten. Has to be straight to go through the hole. So I pushed it through the hole. Let me see here. Make sure that this side here still has the cap on it, and that side do still have a cap on it. All right, so we're gonna push that thing back through there. Now, all this stuff is supposed to be wrapped together, but I'm not worried about that right now. The hardest thing for me to worry about here is trying to connect this thing, and since I'm by myself, I gotta do what I gotta do. So here in a minute, I'm gonna get somebody to come out here and assist me, and we're gonna see if we can get this done. We got it up, y'all. So I can say with certainty that it's not as easy as they seem. Trying to get this stuff through that hole with all the long hoses. This is a two-man operation, so get you some help if you do this. All right. So we have to go outside and drill some holes in the wall, because we're going to hang the condenser up on the wall. We're not going to keep it on. I don't want it on the ground. So try to keep bugs out of it as much as possible. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get to that, then I'm going to show you my progress. we are level. We've got it done. Had to improvise over here, and I switched up the bolts. So alright, so let's go see if we can get our machine over here. Condenser, see what it do. So now we need to clean it off there. We need to coil our hoses here, and we're going to drop them off behind here and everything. We'll let this hang down there. Yep. But we need to do that. Yep. Got that now. So, next thing I need to do, put this cover over this. But I'm thinking about waiting. I'm gonna see if I can order the rest of the stuff here. Put something over this all the way down over here. See if I can do that. Ready for operation. need one more thing, my Nylog blue, which is some stuff that needs to go in here, right in the opening. And that's not gonna be here till Thursday, so we're gonna see y'all then.